Good morning students, welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, already we have completed 6 lessons. Is it dear student? Dear student, today in the class we are going to start the new lesson, that is lesson number 7. This is my India. Yes dear student, in which country we are living? We are living in India. Okay, our country is India. Dear students, here one warm-up has given that you have to complete. This is homework for you dear student. Before starting the lesson, you have to complete this warm-up activity. You should write your name, okay? Your address tells your location. Fill in the blanks with your house address. So you should write down your name here, your house number, your locality, means in which place you are living, what is your village name, what is your district name, and which is our state and which is our country. So dear student, I will tell you about this. You should write your name, house name and locality, means which area you are living. And dear student, village or town is, we are living in Chikkodi. So you should write here Chikkodi. District is Belgaum. We are living in Belgaum district. And our state is Karnataka. Okay, you should complete this. We are living in state Karnataka. And which is our country? India. Understand dear student? So this should be complete by you. This is the homework for you. Dear student, first in this lesson we are learning about location of India. Location of India means where is India located on the world map? Is it? Dear student, India is a big and beautiful country. You know that India is a big and beautiful country. It is the 7th largest and the 2nd most populated in the world. Our country India is 7th largest and 2nd most populated country in the world. And dear student, it is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. It is located in the southern part of Asia. Yes dear student, our country India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. And our country India is surrounded by 3 sides on water, that is big water bodies on 3 sides. Yes dear student, so first one is the Arabian Sea, second the Bay of Bengal, and the third one is Southern Ocean, sorry, the Indian Ocean. Okay, and here the Arabian Sea, this is on the west, and Bay of Bengal on the east, and Indian Ocean to the south. Okay dear student, our country India is surrounded by 3 sides on big water body. The first one is the Arabian Sea, this is on the west, the Bay of Bengal on the east, and the Indian Ocean to the south. So in this way our country is surrounded by water on 3 sides. And the piece of land which has water on 3 sides, this is called a peninsula. Understand dear student? Here peninsula means what? Peninsula means a piece of land which has 3 sides water. which has water on 3 sides. Yes, dear student. So this is the peninsula. So our India is a peninsula. Understand? A piece of land which has water on 3 sides is called a peninsula. So India is a peninsula. The Himalayas from the natural barrier to our country in the north. The Himalayan ranges. Himalayan barrier means the Himalayan ranges are lies to the north of the country. So, dear student, I hope you all are understanding about this. So, first of all, location of India, it is located in the southern part of Asia and it is surrounded by water on 3 sides or the big water bodies on 3 sides, that is the Arabian Sea to the west, the Bay of Bengal is to the east and the Indian Ocean to the south. Okay, so the piece of land which is surrounded by 3 sides on water, this is called a peninsula and our country India is a peninsula. Understand, dear student? So, the Himalayan ranges or the Himalaya are a natural barrier to the country to the north. Understand, dear student? After this, we are learning about the neighbors of the countries. Means our country India has neighbors, neighboring countries. So, we will learn about the neighboring countries. India has several neighboring countries. Okay. So, Pakistan and Afghanistan to the west, Nepal, Bhutan, China to the north, and to the south we have Sri Lanka and Maldives, and Bangladesh and Myanmar are located on the eastern boundary. Okay, dear student. So, these are the neighbors of India. Neighboring countries or neighbors of India. Here Pakistan, Afghanistan. Pakistan and Afghanistan to the lie to the west, Nepal, Bhutan and China. Nepal, Bhutan, China lie to the north and Sri Lanka, Maldives Sri Lanka and Maldives to the south and Bangladesh and Myanmar. And eastern boundary. Understand, dear students? So, these are the neighboring countries of our country India. Here Pakistan and Afghanistan lies to the west of the country. Nepal, Bhutan, China are the countries lie to the north of our country, and Sri Lanka and Maldives are lies to the south, and Bangladesh and Myanmar are the eastern boundary. Okay, dear student? So, these are the neighboring countries of India. Dear student, after this we are learning about political divisions of India. India is divided into states and union territories. Understand? These are the political divisions of India. India is divided into states and union territories. Here every state and union territory has its own capital city. India has divided into states and union territories. Understand, dear student? And every state and union territory has its own capital city. So dear student, this activity I will give you. You have to write down the name of 29 states and their capital cities, and 8 union territories and their capital cities. Okay, you have to make a chart of this and send it to my personal number. Understand, dear student? So this is about the this is about the 29 states and union territories of the country. Okay, dear student, India is divided into states and union territories. Dear students, here activity 2 has given. One activity I have told you to make a chart of this, and second activity what they have told, imagine you are standing at the center of India facing north. Which direction would you be going if you go to Himachal Pradesh? Himachal Pradesh will go to the north. First answer is north. Yes, if you are facing to the if you are standing in center of the India and facing to the north, so Himachal or first one Himachal Pradesh, this is at the north, and Assam here second one, this is first one, and second Assam to the east, and number third Gujarat to the west, and number 4 is Tamil Nadu, this is to the south. Understand, dear student? You have to complete this activity. So imagine you are standing in the center of India facing the north. Which direction you would be going if you go to the Himachal Pradesh? This is to the north. You should write here north. Second Assam, this is to the east. Gujarat to the west. Tamil Nadu to the south. You have to complete this activity. Okay, dear student, after learning this, we will learn about unity in diversity. Dear student, India is a land of variety. It is a land of variety, means mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, coastal areas. So this is a land of variety. Understand, India is a land of variety, and people in different parts of India have different ways of living. Yes, India is a vast country. It is a big country. So India is having 29 states. Yes, so all over the India, here the people in different parts of the country have different ways of living. So they speak different languages. Yes, means how the life is different here. In the different states, people speak different languages. Their dressing style is different. Their eating habits is different. Is it? Means the people will speak different language. They wear different type of dresses, or their dressing style is different, and also they eat the different type of food. Okay, and there are different religions in India. Yes, in India many peoples are living and they are having the different religions. The people of India are free to practice the religion of their choice. Despite this diversity, we are all united in our identity as Indians. Understand, dear student? We all love our country. We must work hard to make it better. Yes, you know that India is a land of variety. People in different parts of India have different ways of living. They are speaking different languages. They are wearing different type of dressing style, and also the food habit is also different. Yes, dear student, and they are also having different religions. The people of India are free to practice the religion of their choice. They are having free to practice the religion of their choice. Despite this diversity, we are all united as Indians. We are all united and we are identity as Indians. We all love our country and we must hard work to make the country better. Okay, dear student. this is all about the lesson explanation. What things we have learnt in this lesson? India is located in the southern part of the Asia, and India is divided into states and union territories, and India is a land of diversity. Okay dear student, this is the explanation about this lesson. Till here today I will stop. In the next class I will go to evaluate part. Thank you.